Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to convert Blogger to website 2021 update. This is the default Blogger design and we are going to change it as 3-page static website. For this, first we have to convert Blogger template into blank template. The blank template code is available in Stack Overflow website. Copy this code and paste it to the Blogger HTML editor. To go to Blogger HTML editor, in Blogger dashboard, go to Themes. Click the drop-down menu in the Customize button and choose Edit HTML. Select all and delete the default Blogger template code and replace it with the blank template code which copied from Stack Overflow. Whenever you make changes in the Blogger HTML editor, remember to save the changes. Now let me check the design of Blogger. And we can see it was converted into blank template. Blogger template has some rules to design, and in that one of the rule is the Blogger template must have one section and one ID. I recommend to use this section and ID and keep this tag just above the closing body tag. The next step in Blogger is we have to create pages to create the static web pages. Go to pages, click new page, and I am entering left, and I am also going to create another page and naming it as no, since this design requires 2 pages. Now return to Blogger template HTML editor, and now I am going to enter 3 if tags, which is the important part in this conversion. The first if tag is for home page, second if tag for left sidebar, and third if tag is for no sidebar. These if tags must be placed below the starting body tag. We don't need to change anything in the if home tag, but in the second and third tag we have to replace the URL with the respective links of left sidebar and no sidebar. Next we are going to add CSS and static website template codes in Blogger HTML editor. Now I am going to open all the codes with Notepad++, and it is a recommended one for this work. Just copy all the CSS code, return to Blogger template editor, and paste it in between the bee skin tags. We have to add meta tag for viewport. Next, for the home page, copy the codes in between the body tags. Just the codes in between the body tags only. Like this, for left sidebar and no sidebar, we have to add the codes, just the code in between the body tags. Now replace the navigations link with respective blogger links. Finally, set the desktop theme to mobile devices also. For this, we have to go to Themes, click Customize drop-down button, and in mobile settings, we will get this option.